Hi class, today we'll be doing a quick quiz on Egyptian gods and goddesses to see which Egyptian god or goddess you are most like, and then with that you'll be getting into groups of 3 to 5 and creating a one-act play which you will perform in front of the class. So to start, I will be reading the questions and you will be writing your point values for whichever one you're mostly closely related to, and then we'll see what you come up with. So, how merciful would you describe yourself? Here are the answers. Pick your point value. For the second question, what would your symbol be? You have about 10 seconds for each of these answers, so think quickly, write down your first instinct, and then we'll continue to the next question. There are the point values. Write them down and we will continue. Choose a bird. If you're unsure what any of these are or mean, then we can pause it and take a look at it before we continue. So if at any point you have questions, go ahead and just raise your hands. What's your favorite job or profession out of these? There's the point value. Now we will continue. Pick a color combination. So based on what we've learned so far, you could probably start getting a general idea of what kind of god or goddess A, B, C, D, E, or F represent. But it'll be interesting to see what you get. There's the point value. We'll now continue. Which superpower would you have? I think I might have harmony inducement. Our world could certainly use that now. What activity would you be best at? There's the point value. Now we'll continue. What do you love about you? Some of you might have more than one, which is a good thing. What am I doing? There's the point value. We'll continue on. What do people hate about you? Hate's a pretty strong word, but you could think about what could you improve on? What are you doing, Mom? Okay, so now we're going to be looking at what our answers are, what we came up with. To start, if you got 100 to 170 points, you would be Thoth. Here's a quick description of him, and then we will continue. Next, 180 to 260 points is Mayet. 270 to 350 points is Heru or Horus. Next is Aset, 360 to 440. And lastly is Osiris, 450 to 520. Actually, he may not be the last one. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Ra or Re. And this is 530 to 600 points. Okay, so there's if you don't think your answer was right, but we're going to go ahead and leave that alone. So now, with your scores. I will be grouping you guys. You can discuss what you got and then begin compiling your one act play. You will have the rest of today to work on it, and then tomorrow, and then the following day, Friday, we will be presenting it. So if you have any questions, feel free and contact me, and let's start our lesson.